Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a quick update for those of you that are mining grass currently. Everyone is talking about the allocation coming up much later in the coming weeks, and for you to be eligible for the allocation, you need to verify your email. And how do you do this? Log into your grass account, right? Click on your profile icon at the top here, or simply just click on the profile icon here, and of course you're going to see an option here to edit your email or enter your email and to basically verify your email. This is very important. I think they are doing it because they want to confirm that everyone who is currently farming the grass airdrop, they have eligible email and they are real people, not just bots and all of that. So please make sure that you verify your email so that you're going to be eligible to claim your airdrop when it's time. Now, concerning the timeline, there's really nothing major in terms of announcement currently. People are just speculating that's going to be sometime, later this month, and there's just a bunch of news and updates on that. But again, there's really nothing set in stone. So in the meantime, just keep referring, keep farming grass, and just keep doing your thing. Really, that's the update I have for you guys. Basically, you need to verify your email, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates like this. I will be sharing more updates with you guys as long as they are confirmed and they are legit. I'll see you guys. Bye.